Are you tired of spending hours with a paintbrush in hand, only to have streaky, uneven walls? Well, fear not, because we have the solution for you. Introducing the best airless paint sprayers on the market. These bad boys will have you painting like a pro in no time, with smooth, flawless results every time. Say goodbye to those pesky brush strokes and hello to a beautiful, professional finish. So grab your paint cans and get ready to spray your way to perfection with the best airless paint sprayers around. Let's get painting. All the products featured in this video can be found in the description below. For more comprehensive analysis and handy comparison, please visit our website at smartpick.com. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click the notification bell to keep up with our latest updates. Now, let's jump into the listicle. Number 5. Graco TrueCoat 3 60DS. If you are in the market for a budget-friendly paint sprayer, the Graco TrueCoat 3 60DS is the perfect choice for you. This handheld airless paint sprayer is not only reasonably priced, but also highly efficient, making it ideal for both beginners and experienced users alike. One of the standout features of the TrueCoat 3 60DS is its ability to spray in any direction, even upside down. This makes it incredibly versatile and easy to use, especially when working on tricky or hard-to-reach surfaces. Additionally, the sprayer does not require you to thin your latex paint before use, saving you time and hassle. The 32-ounce paint cup is another great benefit of this paint sprayer. With a large capacity, you can work for longer periods before needing to refill, increasing your overall efficiency. The 2 speeds and 2 tips included with the sprayer allow for customization based on your project needs, whether you are working on detailed work or covering a large surface area. What I love most about the TrueCoat 3 60DS is its ease of use and quick cleanup. Simply toss the cup liner when you are done painting, saving you valuable time and effort. One small downside to this sprayer is that it is best suited for occasional or small projects, as it is not specifically designed for heavy daily use. In conclusion, the Graco TrueCoat 3 60DS is the best budget paint sprayer on the market. Its efficiency, versatility, and ease of use make it a worthwhile investment for anyone looking to tackle paint projects without breaking the bank. Check it out today and see the difference for yourself. Number 4. Wagner FLEXiO 590. If you want the best handheld airless paint sprayer for your painting projects, consider the Wagner FLEXiO 590. This lightweight and maneuverable sprayer is perfect for a range of applications, from latex paint to stains and sealers. The 1.5 quart cup ensures no spills, even when spraying upside down. With 2 nozzles to choose from, the eye spray nozzle covers large surfaces quickly and evenly, while the detail finish nozzle is great for small areas and detailing. One of the standout features of the Wagner FLEXiO 590 is its versatility. You can use it for outdoor or indoor projects, from furniture to sheds, with ease. The 1.5 quart cup makes it easy to move around while painting, and the 2 nozzles give you options for different surfaces. Plus, the sealable cup means no messy spills to clean up afterwards. What makes the Wagner FLEXiO 590 even more appealing is its ease of use. The lightweight design and ergonomic handle make it comfortable to hold and maneuver, even for extended periods. The 2 nozzles provide options for different projects, and the sealable cup ensures no paint wastage. The only downside is the paint reservoir's limited capacity, which may require frequent refills for larger projects. In conclusion, the Wagner FLEXiO 590 is the best handheld airless paint sprayer for its versatility, ease of use, and efficient paint application. Give it a try and see the difference for yourself. Still searching for the perfect paint sprayer? Don't give up just yet. We have more coming your way. If this happens to be your first time here, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you can stay updated when we release new videos. You won't be disappointed. Number 3. Titan ControlMax 1500. If you want an all-purpose airless paint sprayer, consider the Titan ControlMax 1500. This high-efficiency airless sprayer can handle up to 0.29 gallons of paint per minute, making your painting projects a breeze. One major benefit of the ControlMax 1500 is its 25-foot hose, allowing you to easily reach most interior and exterior projects without constantly moving the unit. Additionally, it can support up to 75 feet of hose if you need more reach, giving you the flexibility you need. Another great feature is the ability to pull paint directly from a 1 or 5 gallon can, streamlining the painting process and simplifying cleanup. Best used with unthinned latex paint, this sprayer ensures a smooth finish on any indoor or outdoor surface. What sets the ControlMax 1500 apart from similar models is its HEA system, which reduces overspray and ensures an even coating every time. With a capacity of up to 175 gallons of paint a year, this sprayer is perfect for regular use on various projects. While the 0.55 horsepower pump is slightly less powerful compared to the 1900 model, the ControlMax 1500 still delivers excellent results. Overall, the Titan ControlMax 1500 is the best airless paint sprayer for all-purpose use. Its efficiency, ease of use, and consistent results make it a top choice for any DIY enthusiast or professional painter. Check it out for yourself and see the difference it can make in your projects. Number 2, Wagner Spraytech Pro 130 Power Tank Paint Sprayer. If you're in the market for a stationary paint sprayer, the Wagner Control Pro 130 Power Tank Airless Stand Paint Sprayer is a top contender. Its 25-foot hose, which can handle up to 50 feet, combined with the 1.5-gallon capacity, makes it a breeze to tackle mid-size projects without constant refills. Utilizing HEA technology, this sprayer reduces overspray by up to 55% while delivering a smooth and even finish. Its compatibility with unthinned latex paints and stains means you can use it for a variety of projects. From walls to fences to garage doors, the integrated handles and built-in storage for accessories make it convenient to transport and use. Plus, the spill-resistant lid keeps your paint clean and prevents messes. Cleanup is a snap, as all you need to do is flush the hose with water and rinse the sprayer to switch between colors or finish your project. The gravity-fed system ensures easy priming and consistent painting throughout. While this sprayer is an excellent choice for most projects, some users may find the hose length to be a bit limiting for larger jobs. However, with its efficiency and ease of use, the Wagner Control Pro 130 Power Tank Airless Stand Paint Sprayer outshines similar models on the market. Check it out now to take your painting game to the next level. Before we unveil the top pick, don't forget to take a look at the description below for the latest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Number 1. Graco Magnum X5 Stand. Get ready to revolutionize your painting projects with the Graco Magnum X5 Airless Paint Sprayer. This compact sprayer packs a punch with features that make it the best airless paint sprayer overall. First off, the Magnum X5 is incredibly easy to use, with a quick startup and no need to prime the sprayer. This means you can get to work faster and with less hassle. The adjustable pressure gives you complete control over the paint flow, allowing for a smooth and even application. Plus, the flexible suction tube and high flow rate make it easy to spray directly from your paint cans, saving you time and effort. The SG2 heavy-duty metal spray gun with an in-handle filter and true airless nozzle make painting a breeze. No more worrying about clogs or uneven coverage. The stainless steel piston pump can handle unthinned paint at high pressure, giving you one-pass coverage and saving you time and paint. One downside is that the sprayer only comes with a 25-foot hose, but it supports up to 75 feet, so you can easily upgrade for larger projects. Overall, the Graco Magnum X5 Airless Paint Sprayer is a game-changer for at-home painters. Its ease of use, efficiency, and professional quality results make it a must-have tool for any DIY enthusiast. Experience the difference for yourself and take your painting projects to the next level with the Graco Magnum X5 Stand Paint Sprayer. That's a wrap. We trust you enjoyed exploring our selection of best airless paint sprayers. If you did, please show your support by giving us a thumbs up and clicking the subscribe button. Additionally, feel free to share in the comments which paint sprayer you're considering. Let's turn your choice into reality. Thanks for tuning in, and we look forward to seeing you in our upcoming videos.